10 amazing facts about sweets. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Cotton candy, that fluffy and sugary treat, was actually invented by a dentist named William Morrison. He co-invented it with a confectioner named John C. Wharton. Jelly beans and the president. Ronald Reagan, the 40th president of the United States, was a big fan of jelly beans. He started eating them to help him quit smoking. His favorite flavor was licorice. M&Ms were created for the military. During World War II, Forrest Mars, the son of the founder of the Mars Company, created M&Ms. The candy-coated chocolate was designed to allow soldiers to carry chocolate without it melting. Bubblegum pink color. Bubblegum is often associated with its bright pink color. This iconic hue was chosen by the inventor of bubblegum, Walter Deemer, because it was the only food coloring he had at the time. World's largest lollipop. The largest lollipop ever made weighed over 7,000 pounds and was created by See's Candies in California. It was as tall as a giraffe. Skittles were originally British. Skittles, the colorful candy, originated in the United Kingdom in 1974. They made their way to the United States in 1979. Kit Kat's unique shape. Kit Kat bars are known for their distinctive four-fingered shape. In some countries like Japan, there are even more exotic flavors, such as green tea and wasabi. The world's largest gingerbread house. The largest gingerbread house ever made measured 67.4 feet long, 42.6 feet wide, and 11 feet tall. It was built in Bryan, Texas in 2013. Chewing gum helps concentration. Studies have suggested that chewing gum can help improve concentration and focus. The act of chewing gum increases blood flow to the brain, which can enhance cognitive function. Candy canes were initially straight. The first candy canes were not bent into their familiar hook shape. They were straight and all white. The red stripes and the curved shape were later added. Like and subscribe.